Welcome to Spain. We've left behind our Portuguese Algarve paradise and we have hopped over the border. Today we are taking you up into the hills. We're taking you to a magnificent town that's perched on the edge of a cliff. Known for its dramatic scenery and its well-preserved architecture, today we are taking you to Ronda. So look, it's 9 o'clock in the morning.
I can't see the sun's in the eyes.
Michelle says the sun's coming up behind us, which is good because it's probably about 3 or 4 degrees at the minute. It's a little bit chilly. The cars are all frozen, but the sky is still blue. But it is, what are we, January?
January the 7th.
7th of January, and we are in the mountains. But it just goes to prove that Spain is not always sunny and hot. Oh yeah, we've probably already proved that by the fact it's rained every day, near enough.
3 weeks of good weather.
Okay, apparently, I lied. Apparently we've had a fortnight of good weather. I'm not sure when that was.
We've had good one since Christmas.
Oh, okay, then since Christmas it's been nice. It's been sunny with blue skies. You still need your jeans and your jumper, but it's still sunny with blue skies. Ronda is one of these truly unique, special places. You just have to be here. You have to see it. It's amazing. To get a picture of the bridge in the bottom. What do you reckon?
I'm not answering that.
Why not? You don't fancy that?
I don't like.
You're holding on tight.
I'm just looking pensive. Yeah, I don't do heights.
What, stood on a big balcony? First of our cool viewpoints, looking down into the valley. Michelle is like running away because obviously it's a bit close to the edge for her because there's like just a big drop. But there is a big metal railing, it's not that scary. She's not keen on my plan for tomorrow because I said we'll go to the bottom of the gorge, therefore she'll have to work her way back up. And now for the town's most famous landmark, the Punta Nuevo, or New Bridge. This bridge spans the Tajo Gorge and is probably the most photographic bridge in the world. Jump over to our Instagram and see some more shots. Nice whitewashed village. Little streets to wander around. Typically get lost in. But they all go somewhere, don't they? That's proper tiny. I'm not sure I'd want to drive down there. Do you reckon you get a motorhome down there? No. Do you don't fancy that?
No.
Was it a bit small?
Might get wedged in.
That was so cool. But she wasn't exactly going slow.
No, I know. I've done it many times before.
We've left behind the madding crowd stood on the bridge taking their selfies. And we're exploring the old town. Full of its medieval architecture. It's just a gorgeous place where, as you can see, there are no other tourists. It's almost like we've got it all to ourselves. Another day, another castle wall. This one's not as high as the last one, and it's got railings, so you can't be as scared as you were in Obidos, because you didn't like those.
You know, it's only blew through the walls, it's fucking you around.
And then I took you to Castle Walls the other day. In Portugal. Tavera. That had Castle Walls. Michelle just doesn't remember a lot. She's old. Too old. Forgets. She's been and seen things. And then in a couple. So this is like probably the bit of sea that nobody comes to. This is like so far away from the bridge that everybody thinks that all Ronda is about. But we're stood on the most amazing castle walls. These obviously line the entrance to the old city. Look how beautiful. Stunning. We can follow this track along and get the view. Because we're just at the bottom of the city now. There's more castle walls or city walls, however you want to look at it. And I don't know whether it's, I presume it's a downward track. Yeah? Downward track? Downward track it is then. Good choice, wifey.
Baths, the Arabic baths in London. It was a Muslim baths and then Arab baths. All inside.
It's random. Yeah.
Interesting.
Different. A nice change.
It's very cold, isn't it? Oh, this is the cold room.
This is the cold room.
And it is. It does feel cold.
So presumably that would have been a cold water pool.
Yeah.
They're quite cool, aren't they? The light slits.
Yeah.
Because that is just natural light from outside. And it's really bright. It's really mental. I can't believe that illuminates this thing so well. Because there's no false light. It's all completely natural. Yeah, very different when you come back out. Because all of a sudden it's like really bright, although it felt like daylight in there.
That's quite nice. That's what I want.
Nice gardens to explore. It's very tranquil though, isn't it?
Yeah.
When you think you are literally,
All over there.
but we're steps away from that bridge, which was covered in tourists, wasn't it? No matter how hard you tried, that bridge was full of them. Now it's just really peaceful and serene. Michelle's nemesis. She loves steps. And there's only a few hundred back up to the top, isn't there?
There is.
Somewhere up there. How many fans can one person need? This shop only sells fans. What's this shop sell?
Fans.
And
Bags and balls.
basically only
Fans.
only fans.
That's quite nice.
We don't need. Michelle is eating
Olives.
olives. What else have you ordered?
Russian salad. Thank you. Something with camembert and something that's called fried head. God knows what that is.
Michelle with her fried egg, which, as I expected, is that translation, egg. And ridiculously hot by the look of that. Yeah, so you didn't need to save your crackers because we got crackers with a lot of cheese and some mango chutney.
She's just made that.
Homemade mango chutney. Not bad.
So if you ever make it to Rhondda, step away from the bridge, step away from the crowds, and you will find a unique, truly unforgettable travel experience. Pop into the local bars, have your fried head. You've got to try these things. It's a wonderful place. We've loved coming here. We will be back. It is on top of a list of places to come back to. If you'd like to see some more videos of Spain on our Travels Forum, remember to like, subscribe, and see you next time.